Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete rows or lines of data from your Data tab. Here I'm in my Data tab. On the left-hand side, we see multiple different types of buttons. This one is Delete Rows, but it's grayed out. That's because it waits for us to check something, and we can check any amount of markers we want to delete. And once we've checked those, now the delete rows will work. And I can click on that. It's going to double check and make sure I do want to do this. I can undo it if I am mistaken. And I will click proceed. And now we'll see that those lines are gone because we're still at the end of that spreadsheet. And that's how you delete rows of data from your Data tab. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.